Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this webinar where we are going to update you regarding Kalen Cubes, what we are doing and what are our future plans. So let me share the screen. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, I welcome you all. I welcome you all to this webinar and associating with us. Participants are still joining. Okay. I think it's better that we should wait for a minute so that let everybody join. Okay, so what we do, we engage with all age groups and provide essential skills with respect to brain development. And we use two tools to achieve our aim, that is Rubik's Cube and Vedic Maths. So we teach 16 types of Rubik's Cube, which help in the brain development. And this topic I am not touching today because this is a separate topic in itself. Today is our focus is on Vedic Maths. So let's dive into, sorry. Okay. So what is our mission? We are on a mission to train and empower 1 lakh Vedic Maths trainers and supporting them to become entrepreneurs and making them financially independent. So in the last 1 year, or I would say 1.5 years, we have been teaching kids of various age groups starting from 8 years onwards. But what we have realized in our journey of teaching Vedic Maths and Rubik's Cube is that if I am teaching to kids, my reach is limited. I can reach to a limited people. So that is why we are shifting our focus to empowering women or teachers or whosoever is math enthusiast or take it up as a side hustle to help kids overcoming the maths phobia. So how many of you are agree that kids are having maths phobia, or even we as kids have also faced maths phobia? You can write in the chat box if have you ever experienced maths phobia, or you are still in that number fear. You have got that fear for the numbers. If anyone interested, just raise hands. Okay, so I am unmuting. You can unmute. Redmi Note 8. Please unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay, so I think she wants to say that she has number phobia. Okay, so Vedic Maths is a very important tool which helps in overcoming number phobia. This I will show you in after the presentation when we'll do various exercises that how it lightens your mind. So we will be keep teaching students. Our focus towards student has not gone anywhere or shifted anywhere, but now we are venturing into empowering others to overcome this maths phobia and help the society in a larger perspective. Now, what happens when somebody, there are various ways of learning Vedic Maths or Rubik's Cube. There is not only one way that what we are teaching. You can, one is free to learn Vedic Maths or anything from anywhere. But what hurdles someone is facing when they are starting their journey as entrepreneurs? How to take the first client? How to impart value to the kids or the learner? And how to manage finances when you have start earning, and how to be financially independent. So the second and third part, becoming entrepreneur and financially independent, these two are the bigger challenge which people at large face. So that is why our mission is not only to teach Vedic maths, but to take on those people so that they can help society in large, and in the bargain, they can also benefit. So today's webinar highlights will be our association with IAVM. So let me tell you what is IAVM. IAVM is, okay, let me hold for a minute. I'll show you the website and explain you there only. Then what are the benefits of getting associated with IAVM? What are the courses we are running or planning to run in future? Vedic Maths Olympiad, it is first of its kind in the world, and the teachers training program. So recently, you can see 27th of November 2021, I acquired the life membership of IAVM, that is Institute for the Advancement of Vedic Mathematics. So I'm just taking you to this website straight and showing you what this organization is about. So IAVM is Institute for the Advancement of Vedic Mathematics. This institute is located in London. Okay, so it is a United Kingdom based organization, and they are a non-profit organization devoted to furtherance of Vedic mathematics. So the main aim why I got associated with this organization is because what I have learned is my knowledge specific to me. I want to associate with a larger community which is working world over in the development and enhancement of Vedic maths and application of Vedic maths in the upcoming areas. For example, artificial intelligence or machine learning or coding, computing, etc. So it's a worldwide community of Vedic maths enthusiasts who are volunteering here to transfer knowledge. Okay, now let me show you what benefits we are getting. You can search this website in your own time. I'm just showing you the main points. Now let's come to the timeline. Now you see, in the year 2021, which is just going to come to an end in another 20-25 days, they are organizing International Vedic Maths Conference every year. So since their inception, this was the 7th International Vedic Maths Online Conference which they have organized. Second, they have conducted first International Vedic Mathematics Olympiad in September 11, 2021. So it means next year, that is 2022, the second Vedic Maths Olympiad is going to be conducted. And the children which we are going to train are going to participate in this Vedic Maths Olympiad. Next, they have also started master series workshops, and obviously have started whatever activities they were doing. Like the first IAVM conference was organized in Kolkata, ICCR. So if you just call the timeline, you'll find second was organized in Delhi, sponsored by Tata Trust. Then in 2018, it was in Bengaluru, again sponsored by Tata Trust. It means we can make out that, Tatas are supporting this organization. So that is one advantage which our children and teachers which we will train and associate with us will get with this larger society. Second advantage is that they are also having certification programs. So let me come back to the presentation. So they are also having certification programs which our children, after studying from me, or the teachers associated with us, once they will get training from us, they can apply for certification with IAVM. So IAVM will conduct a test for them, and if they qualify that test, they will get a certification. So it's like your child is like, you will find in today's online world, there are a lot of people who are giving certificates. Like certificate, you do anything, 1 day webinar, 2 day webinar, 1 day course, 2 day workshop, you are getting certificates just at throwaway things. But getting a certificate not from Callan Cubes, but getting a certificate from an international recognized organization, it matters a lot. It gives a different kind of boost to everyone. Okay, let me just scroll this slide. Yes, so I have already explained you with the help of website that association with IIVM, what does it mean? It means certification for your child as he will clear level 1, 2, 3. Then he can participate in Vedic Maths Olympiad. And third is opportunity to compete at global level. When he is applying for, when he is competing in an Olympiad, it is not only Indian students, it's the students world over who are learning Vedic Maths. So it is a Vedic Maths focused Olympiad competition. Okay, so now let's come to the courses which we are offering presently. So for class 1 and 2, we are offering multiplication table course 2 to 10. And if once the child is confident in learning table 2 to 10, then we take him up to 20, table till 20. So let me tell you, these are not, traditional methods like in the school teacher has said, okay, kids, you will learn table of 8, and the students has started 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, and then mother is scolding, father is scolding. So how many of you are having small kids and they feel that making your kids learning table is a difficult task? Anyone? You can write in comment or you can raise your hand so that I can unmute you if anyone wants to share his or her views. Or if you feel that teaching table is very easy task, even then you are free to share your views. Yes, Anuj, you want to say anything?
Ma'am, tables are not the issue, but the dodging table is the main issue.
Yes. That's very good. So what we are teaching here is a different kind of style, which will make the child to learn the dodging table also very quick. That's good point brought out by Anuj. And then mental maths, addition and subtraction. So you see, what I have seen is that in our school mathematics, see, I'm not against anything for school mathematics. It's not like that, but just I'm bringing out a point. Because teacher is teaching 30-40 students, obviously she cannot do all these things which we are doing at a minute level. So in the starting, the child is told to write and calculate, like 2 plus 4, 6. So he will do 5 sums in the copy, 2 plus 4, 6. We are not training the child's mind to calculate it mentally. So like I have conducted this exercise with the kids who are in class 3 to 5, that if you have got 100 rupees and you have gone to a shopkeeper and you have bought whatever items which your just a minute, I'm getting a call. Sorry for disturbance. So if they have gone to market with 100 rupees and they have spent 46 rupees, now what is the balance? Now when you are standing in a shopkeeper shop, there is no pen, paper, copy, nothing with you. So a child should able to do elementary calculation mentally, and that boosts the confidence of the child towards mathematics. So basic focus in our addition and subtraction course is to train the child do the calculation mentally. Okay, next comes the courses for class 3 to 5. Now in class 3 to 5 courses, we start Vedic Maths level 1, that is tables up to 99. And this is not writing tables of 67 or 78, same dodging table concept, because once you cross table of 10 till table of 10, after that one has to be more into dodging table concept, like what is 98 into 7 or 96 into 5, like that. Then arithmetic concept, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in the level 1 course, we touch upon all these things, and we use, apart from mental maths, we use Vedic maths techniques to solve the questions in one line. Next comes is Vedic maths level 2. In level 2 program, we will teach maths in daily life, like your kid you have gone to a mall with your kid and there is, big board, sale up to 50%. Now what that child should understand from that, though he is in class 5, he has not learned anything about percentage, but he is reading something 50% off or up to 50% off or flat 50% off, or sometime 50% plus 20% off. Now these concepts are something which we can't wait for a child or even elders to know ki, okay, when it will come into your syllabus in the maths class, you should know. So our main aim in level 2 is that orienting the maths towards the daily life, so that a child feels that maths is around me and it is just like my friend, which is everywhere. So that fear is will go away automatically. Then fun with geometry. In fun with geometry, we are going to cover basically drawing. Drawing means ki how geometry, like different shapes, square, triangle, rectangle, circle, they can create 3D designs out of that. So it is more into creativity, into designing, into design your own figures, matching, mix and matching different objects and creating your own designs. And these designs, you will find they exist around us. It is not something we are getting from out of the blue moon. They exist around us, but it's that we are not noticing them. So the child will understand to recognize the patterns, how the patterns are working, and they are making beautiful a piece of art or any object out of that. For example, if you just look at the grill which is there in your main gate or the window grill, you'll find there are some patterns coming out of it, and they are all coming out of geometry, different shapes. So it is all basic geometry. Then obviously measurements and units, which are very, very important to understand the importance of number. Because if I say 50, it has no meaning. What is 50? 50 centimeter, 50 meter, 50 kg, 50 gram. So when a child should able to associate number with the units, so that it gives a bigger meaning to that number. Okay, so any doubt till here? Anyone wants to ask anything? Okay, no questions. Okay, now then we come to the courses that is.
Ma'am, all classes will be online?
Yes, this is our complete model is online, because I am based in Delhi. My academy is in Dehradun. So I am also practically online. If you're in Dehradun,
you can. Ma'am, actually, they take the classes from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m.
Yes.
Then after again we need to sit with them.
See, the beauty is that you will. May I know in which class your child is studying?
Actually, the school classes, like what is the schedule? This is 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m.
Yes, understood.
3:30. The classes will be for 1 hour or half an hour?
Classes will be of 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yes, and you will find, see, it is not like doing some extensive maths. We will do a few exercises after this presentation, and you will realize yourself ki it's like fun. Because
it's
I've
like
been teaching.
We want the teacher should be very strict with our child.
See, let me tell you, this is a misconception. Okay, okay, we'll come to that later on. Okay, so level 2, in the level 2, okay, so in Vedic Maths level 1 for class 6 and above, the tables will go to 99, and arithmetic concepts, it will be a more deeper concepts with bigger numbers and some complicated concepts of Vedic Maths. Complicated, I mean to say higher concepts which we are not teaching to primary level. Then Vedic Maths level 2 will include algebra, integers, and obviously maths in daily life. Okay, now we are coming to the most important program of ours, that is teacher training program. I have already trained approximately 10 teachers till now in this pandemic time, but it was all one-to-one. I was teaching on one-to-one basis, and it was mostly focused on teaching Vedic Maths. Now, when I was teaching Vedic Maths, after this thing, I realized that just by teaching or imparting knowledge doesn't empower them. Okay, so that is why we have redesigned our complete module of teacher training program, and which I am going to present before you. So first level is basic level program. Basic level program is primary level program. Suppose a mother is there whose child is in class 2 or 3. Okay, somebody, Vandana, is asking, is this course designed by IAVM? No, ma'am, this course is not designed by IAVM. See, IAVM is only doing two things right now. First is Olympiad, conduct of Olympiad, and second, certification. So whatever we will be teaching, there will be a test conducted by IAVM, and the child will getting an International Institute certification. We are in talks with them of aligning our our course curriculum with them. But
one thing more,
right
now, is this course is designed in different way by different teachers?
प्लीज कम अप अगेन, मैं समझ नहीं पाई आपका क्वेश्चन, आप दोबारा बोलिए एक बार.
Different teachers can design different contents of courses.
Different teachers means different teachers से क्या मतलब है आपका?
You are teaching, some other teachers are also teaching. So this course pattern can be different for the different teachers, even if they are
Yes,
associated with IAVM.
Yes,
Even
yes, yes,
they are
yes, yes, yes.
associated with IAVM, but course pattern may be different.
Yes, yes, yes. See, IAVM give you the liberty to teach in your own way, in your own style.
Okay.
Okay, but for certification, they will give a broad guidelines that this is required for certification, that will be covered, so that the child is comfortable while appearing for certification.
Okay.
Okay, so a basic level program is for primary level. So two kinds of people, it is beneficial for two kinds of people. One is for moms whose children are young, they are like class 1 to 5, and they want to learn themselves so that they can orientate their learning with their child's learning. Because if you have put your child in my classes, whatever your child is learning, a mother should be knowing that, because mother hi to usko maths padha rahi hai. Okay, so that is the idea. So if the mother takes on and say, okay, I will learn and I will impart knowledge to my kid, that is fine at primary level. Second, if a primary level teacher is there, she is teaching 1 to 5 class mathematics, and she wants to enhance her knowledge, or she wants to dive down into what are the other ways of teaching maths, which can be very easy, simple for the kids to take on, she can do this course. Or if some lady who wants to start online academy like we have started, she can also do with this. Then advanced level, we will cover all the basic level concepts, plus it is meant for 6th class and above. So algebra, integers, and whatever square root, cube root, whatever other higher concepts are there, they will be part of advanced level program. So we will cover till trigonometry, we are covering in advanced level. Okay, so now I told you that I have already coached around 10 Vedic maths teachers, and I have realized there is a gap. And the gap is that once they learn Vedic maths with me, they find it's very difficult to take it on. How to get children, what to do, कैसे मैं बताऊं, कैसे मैं अपना एक काम शुरू करूं. So she finds a lot of hitch in that. So there we are providing all assistance to the people who want to become entrepreneurs in supporting our mission. So we are giving entrepreneur support. Now in this, we will help them to find their micro niche. What is they want to do, which person they want to target. Suppose some lady, she is not very comfortable with maths. She has only studied maths till class 10th, and she don't want to do something very high-fi. She only wants to focus to class 1 and 2 kids. So it is her micro niche that she is only focusing to class 1 and 2. So similarly, every person is unique and they have got their own micro niche. So, but sometimes, we are so confused with the things that we know so many things, but we don't know what to do. So we are guiding the teachers towards this. Then next is curriculum design. We will guide them how to design their curriculum in a systematic way, in a scientific way, which helps in the learning of students. Next is personal branding. It's very important. How the world should know that you are doing this work. Otherwise, how will people will come to you? So how to do personal branding in online environment, offline environment, through Instagram, through Facebook. We are going to teach all that. Then is budgeting. Once you start earning, it is very important to learn to manage your finances. How to manage your finances. So we are going to teach how to do that budgeting part with your business income, not any other income. Whatever income you are earning, obviously you can duplicate the same model to other income. Whatever you are getting from your husband, also you can duplicate that model. But we are what we are focusing is towards the business income which they are getting in. Okay, next is marketing. How to market your product so that people should love to buy it. Next is sales. How to do sales, how to sell your product. It is a different art which we have learned through a lot of hitches and hiccups. And last but not the least is adding value. The most important and the crux line of any business, not only Vedic maths or Rubik's Cube, any business is adding value. The learner should feel that yes, he has gained 200% what he has paid for. So money is secondary. You will find we have come to a stage of business where we find that money is just secondary. What is important is adding value. The more value we will add, the more clients we will automatically get in. And that's how our business will grow. So the mantra for growing your business is just by adding value. So now I welcome queries, suggestions, or feedback. Anyone, anybody having, feel free to ask.
Ma'am, good afternoon. This is Commander Pawan here, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I just wanted to know, like, in case the child has got some other classes at the timings which you are having your classes,
Yes.
then can we have the recorded classes, or are there any options to switch over the timings or something?
Yeah, see, we will be providing the recorded classes, first point. And second point is that even if suppose you have enrolled for the course, or due to some reason your child is not able to attend the classes, it can be any other reason also. So you can book a time with us. Okay, you can book an appointment with us. So
Okay.
during that appointment, I will take one-on-one session with that child. Okay, the only condition is that he should have seen the previous recorded videos, which we will send them. And I will take on one-on-one session so that that child is comfortable in learning.
All right, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so
So
much.
all kind of support will be there.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Any-
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any other question? Okay, so if there are no questions, then let me just move to let's try few Vedic maths,
Hi, ma'am.
Yes,
This is
yes.
Vidya here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had a query regarding this learning of Vedic maths trainer, becoming a
Yes.
Vedic maths trainer.
Yes.
Since you told that that will be, I mean, those classes will be scheduled, I mean, at what time and timings and all those things, if you have to take up that.
Yes.
That
See,
will
for
also
ladies-
be one-to-one.
No, see, ladies, this teacher training, see, none of our classes are one-to-one. Let me be very clear.
Okay.
Be it is small kids or middle or elder kids or
Okay,
teacher training,
okay.
none of the classes one-on-one. But we provide one-on-one
okay.
support on special conditions. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Okay, fine.
you can book
Okay.
appointment with me, and I will give you one-on-one scheduled time. We can fix that time, and we can do
Hmm.
that. So that one-on-one session is
But-
provided to everyone on
Okay,
appointment.
fine.
Yes. Okay. Any
Okay,
other
that is only on some special, I mean, if we have any other problem, but when are the
Yes.
classes scheduled for that Vedic maths teacher? I mean, is there any specific timings or how to schedule? Because if we are already working and if we
Yes.
have to take up this, then
Yes.
how to go about this?
Okay, see, normally our Vedic maths classes will be conducted in afternoon as far as teacher training is goes. Okay, as far as teacher
Okay.
training is going, our classes will be around approximate time. I'm telling you, it is not fixed as yet. It will be either 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 that time. Okay. Now suppose you are working. Now let's take example. You are working. and
Afternoon,
you are not
it will be in
available
the
in this-
afternoon session.
Yes, because you see, normally ladies who wants to take up this thing will be free in the afternoon time.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
that is our approach. But just take example, you are working and you want to learn it as your personal, because you are very fascinating about maths, you have love for numbers, or you want to just start as a side hustle. So what you can do, you can take recorded courses. Okay, so the same course which I'm teaching in the class, you will get the recording of that. Plus on weekends we can connect. Okay, so all those who are working, I am conducting weekend sessions with them. Okay, but in weekend sessions, I will not be teaching complete what I have taught in the 5 days. Okay, I will be, glancing through the 5 days so that you have seen the videos, doubts, practice.
Okay, that kind of a revision session. That's it.
Yes, revision and concept clearing.
Concept. Okay.
Yes, concept clearing is there. Yes. Anyone? Okay, so because I'm moving to the next section, that is the Vedic maths, few tips and tricks we will be practicing. Okay, so I'm just getting out of here.
একবার দেখে নাও ধনিয়া পাতা উপরে জল পড়ছে না বাইরে এইদিকে
Yes, so is this board? This is one of my class. Okay. So let's do few exercises. Okay, and let's get a feel. What is Vedic maths? What I'm talking about. Okay. So let's take. Okay, anybody of you say a number? Any 2-digit number? Anyone? Any 2-digit number you have to say?
54.
54. Okay. So 54. Now the task is to multiply this number by 99. Okay. And see, here is your answer. Let me change the pen. So 54 multiplied 99 is 5346. Just check in your calculator and tell me whether it is right answer or not. Yes, so Tanisha is saying it is right. So how I have done it so fast? Want to learn? Anyone wants to learn? You can write L in the chat box. So nobody wants to learn how I am doing it. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. So give me another number. Anyone, please give me another number.
36.
36. Okay. Now see, after once I will teach you, you will also do it in seconds. So 36 multiplied by 99. So what you have to do, we will divide our answer portion in 2 parts. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay. Now for the left hand side answer, what I have to do, I have to simply write 36 minus 1. So what is 36 minus 1? Anyone?
35.
35. Yes. 35. And now you have to subtract this 35 from 9. So 9 minus 3 is
6.
6. And 9 minus 5 is
4.
4. So answer is 3, 5, 6, 4. So I'm doing this with pen and paper. You can just look at the screen and tell me the answer. Any other number?
Yeah, this is the correct answer.
Correct
But
answer?
actually-
Okay.
Yeah, this is correct. I multiplied 36 into 100, then minus
Yes.
36.
Yes. Okay. That is another way, but adopt the way which is faster. It's simple. Okay. So any other number anyone wants to give?
89.
89. Okay.
56.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So let's do 89 first. Now tell me what is
64.
left hand answer. Just hold on. Just hold on. Don't give number. Now let's calculate. Okay. So what is the left hand side portion? Answer anyone?
88.
88. Very good. 88. And now subtract both the numbers from 9. What is the answer?
11.
11. So what answer is 8811. Now you must be feeling that without holding your pen and paper, without thinking anything, just you are looking and saying the answer. Let's do one more, which 56 multiply 99.
55.
Very good. 55 left hand side answer. And what is the right hand side answer?
44.
Yes, 44. So 5544 is the answer.
Yeah.
5544 is the answer. Okay. Now I am writing 3 questions. Number are mine. Okay. And you have to tell the answer. Okay. So I am giving you 3 questions now. 1, 2, 3. One by one we'll do. So one is 81 multiply by 99. Okay, you can just unmute yourself and say the answer.
80 and what did I say?
Just look at the screen and tell the answer.
8871. I mean 8071.
See, what is 9 minus 8?
9
9 minus 8
1.
is 1 and 9 minus 0 is 9.
8071.
8019. I think kids are participating. That's welcoming. Okay. You can switch on your cameras. That's good. 8019 is the answer. See, you have to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's do another. Very good. 76 multiply 99.
75 and
Yes.
23.
9 minus 5 is what?
4.
Yes. 7524 is the answer. Very good, very good, very good. May I know your name, Becha? Well tried. Okay, let's take another number. 38 multiply 99.
37 and
Very good.
3762.
3762. Very good. Now you see, we have done just 2 minutes exercise and you have progressed from, giving me wrong answers to the correct answers, and that too very
Ma'am,
fast.
can you tell me for the RHS again?
Yes, yes. RHS is subtracting. Okay, see, 38 multiply 99. Okay, so you will write 37 here. That is 38 minus 1. And for the right hand side, you have to subtract. Simply you can see 9 and 3. They are written top and bottom. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Clear? And 9 minus 7 is 2. It's clear? So 3762.
Okay.
Okay. So you will find when even, if somebody will ask you in dreams also, you will be able to tell the answer. Okay. So this is just the glimpse which I have shown you. And there is much, much more inside it. For example, you can do multiplication in one line. division in one line. So it's a hidden Vedic maths is a hidden treasure, which its value has not been realized till now. And that is why you see the IAVM, the organization which is located in London. Those people have recognized the value of Vedic maths. You visit their website, you'll find how much value they are giving to the Indian mathematical system and how much devoted they are in the promotion of this, Gyan, I would say, the knowledge which the, Rishi Munis has written in Vedas and other books. It's immense. So anyone having any doubt, anyone wants to ask anything? Shruti, I would request you can just send the WhatsApp group link. If it is
मैम वो यहाँ
possible.
से नहीं हो रहा, आप ही को करना पड़ेगा वो.
Okay.
यहाँ
Okay,
से
so
नहीं
we'll
होगा.
share the WhatsApp group link. In case you are interested, you can join. You can join the group, and then we can discuss things, what kind of program you want to take or what kind of program is beneficial for you. So thank you so very much, everyone. Namaskar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, what is the time for the class?
I will tell you. I will let you know your papa. Okay. Okay, time for the
ma'am.
class, I'll tell you. Okay, you are in which class?
Ma'am, third.
Third class. Oh my God, and you have done this multiplication by 99. That's really great. Yes.
Jyoti ma'am, send that link na, WhatsApp link.
Okay. Let me try.
Yeah.
Oh, I think वो laptop से नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, I'll send it separately. No problem.
Okay.
I'll send it separately. You are already there in our Vedic maths group, so I have created a separate group for that. I think Lakshmi is
Ma'am,
asking
what
to
about
send me.
the cube class?
Yes, Cube class we are having. Actually, today's webinar is for the Vedic maths class. Cube class are already there. Okay, they are starting from tomorrow. Cube class starting from tomorrow, isn't it, Shruti?
Yeah.
Cube class कल से शुरू हो रहे हैं बच्चे.
Yeah, Q class starting from tomorrow for 3x3.
So
Which cube you have?
You can contact me. I'll send you all the details regarding teacher training program. So no worries on that. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye bache, and namaskar to everyone. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.